Under 10,000 rupees price bracket, I have always thought that this price bracket phones are like trash. They don't provide you value for your money. Instead, you can buy a phone under 25 to 30,000 rupees which can actually last you 2 to 3 years. But this Indian brand called AI Plus and their new phone AI Plus Nova 2 has changed my mind. This phone comes at just 9,000 rupees and I can actually say that this is a good phone for under 10k budget phones. But first, let's start this video with the unboxing of this phone, where you will get inside the box this phone, then you will get a charger and a Type-C cable with SIM ejector tool and one clear silicone case. Unboxing aside, let's talk about the build and design of this phone. So as you can see, the build is all plasticky built, and on the right side you have a power button with fingerprint sensor and volume rockers. On the downside you have a Type-C port with speaker grill and aux area, and on the left side you have a SIM ejector area, and on top there's nothing, only a speaker grill cutout on your screen side. On the back side you have 150 megapixel main camera, that is it, and it is a glossy back design with plastic build. It feels good in the hand, but I think the phone is little bit taller as per my perspective. But talking about the front side, you will get 6.9-inch front Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. So if you're using in your day-to-day life, this feels quick and snappy. The animations are also very smooth. Other than that, if you're using this phone indoor, the brightness will not be an issue. But as soon as you go outdoor and if there's a sunlight directly on this phone, this might become an issue while using this phone. Also, one thing I didn't like about this front screen, and it might be a nitpick, that this is not a uniform screen experience. The bezel's downside is huge, but for just 9,000 rupees, I don't think it will be a big issue. Other than that, let's talk about the performance of this phone. You will get Unisoc T8200 processor in this phone, which is good for your daily usage if you're using this for doing payments and calling and chatting and using Instagram, and might be playing some few casual games like Subway Surfer like that. Because in just 9,000 rupees, this phone comes up with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, so you should not expect heavy tasks on this phone. This phone is good for someone like your granddad and grandmom, and if someone just want to use this phone for calling purposes and few minimal modern tasks. Other than that, you can also expand the storage via micro SD card, so you have that opportunity. So if you want extra storage, you can expand it easily. Now let's talk about the camera. You only have backside 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel front selfie camera, which takes good photos in good lighting scenarios. Like if you're using this outdoor, then you won't have any problem. But as soon as you go in low light conditions, this camera is little fuzzy and you can see noise clearly. But for normal day-to-day life usage, I don't think it will be a big issue. Other than that, what I personally like about this phone is that this phone comes with IP64 rating, which means you can actually survive few splashes, and if there's a rainy, then it can survive light raining also, which is actually a good feature for a phone priced under 10k. Other few important things are like this phone comes up with 6000 mAh battery and 18 watt fast charging support, so you can use this phone. If you are a light user, then you can actually use this phone for at least 2 days minimum without any issues. Also, the UI interface is also very smooth and clean, so you won't be having any trouble. And if you want to give this phone to your granddad and grandmom or someone who doesn't understand the modern phones, it is very easy to understand the UI and anyone can actually use this phone very easily. Now let's talk about the conclusion, if you should buy this phone for 9,000 rupees or not. And for my perspective, I think this is a good phone because it comes with IP64 rating and the UI is also very clean and minimal. But if you want a good performing phone, then you can look up for brands like Lava. They are also giving some good performance phones in this price segment. You can check it out that also. So this was it from my side about Nova 2 5G. What are your thoughts about on this phone? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched this video till now, please make sure to subscribe, and we'll meet in the next videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.